Good morning, student. I am Shamli, your social study teacher. I am going to teach you social study. In social study, we will study the first chapter, map and globe. We already know the Earth is the only planet in our solar system that support life and has air and water. When we look at the Earth picture, we see land masses and water bodies. The land masses is called continent and the water bodies are called ocean. Here in the picture you can see blue area as ocean and brown area as land masses. Now the continents. They are the land masses. They are seven continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. Here is the picture of all the continents. The continents are separated by large water bodies. Each continent is divided into many countries. Now we will study ocean. There are five oceans: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean. Below is the picture of all the oceans. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and the deepest and largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. The Atlantic is the second largest ocean separating North and South America from the Europe and Africa. Now the shape of Earth. Shape of Earth is spherical. A spherical shape of Earth was proven with the help of explorers like Ferdinand Magellan and astronomers like Copernicus. Even the satellite images show the spherical shape of Earth. Below is the satellite picture of Earth. Now we will see the globe. A globe is a round model of Earth. It not only depicts shape, size, location, continent, water bodies, but also help us to understand the movement of Earth around its axis. It has some disadvantage. It shows only the one side of the Earth. It cannot be carried from place to place. Details are not clear due to space limitation. Here is globe picture. Now we will study map. It is the representation of Earth's surface or the part of it on the flat surface. Book of map is called atlas. It can be drawn into flat area to show continent, country and its neighbors, marketplaces. It sometimes are more useful than a globe. Its disadvantages. As Earth's shape is round, the curved surface cannot be shown accurately. Hence, the distance cannot be shown accurately on the map. Thus, the map are not as accurate as globe, but they do give detailed description of a small area. Here is map of India. Now we will study the type of map. On the basis of information, maps gives information. There are two types of map: political map and physical map. Political map. Political map show political boundaries of country, state, city and other political division. Physical map. They show physical features like mountains, valleys, plains, plateau, river, other water bodies. There are also many different maps that show crop grown, rainfall, industries, population, transport, soil, natural resource and forest and wildlife. Below is the political map of India. Language of the map. Every map has language in order to understand information given in map. In order to study map, one must know its language. First, direction. There are four directions: north, south, east, west. There are four sub directions: northeast, southeast, northwest, southwest. Scale. All maps are drawn to scale because maps drawn are not as large as the area they depict. The ratio between distance of ground and the distance in the map is known as scale of map. The distance of map can also be measured with the help of linear scale. The scale is shown as the straight line and is divided into units of length. Color. Map has different color. Here are all the directions and now the colors. Light blue color shows shallow water, dark blue deep water, green low land or plains, brown land higher than the plant, brown dark brown hills, mountains, yellow desert and subland. Symbols. Each map has key and key consists of symbols. The key consists of symbols and color. As map is not large enough to show the mountain, lake, river, bridge, temple and railway tracks. For example, a black dot is used to show a well or a tank, and a large boundary of country is shown by thick dashes, and a city is marked by a small circle. Here we end the chapter. Hope you like the video. Thank you.